Kamiti ya IGC igithiaga na mbere na haro ya kuhukia ungumania honge-ini itiganite bururi-ini na mathia ino itambite nginya mathukuru-ini. Hindi ya igongona ria arutwo kurikia mathomo university-ini wa St Paul, muikariri giti wa kamiti ya IGC David OGINDE augite sekta-ini ya githomo ni kuonekanite ciiko cia wici wa igeranio ni ciongererekete.
We have come to love shortcuts from as early as primary school through to secondary school. Students have somehow learned how to cheat in exams. That is why our national exams during the season that has just now ended, for exams, it looks like a time of war.
HAMWE NOGUO no gukoretwo na uguri wa maratathi ma maigirira maria makoretwo magiteithia aingi kuona mawira undu uria OGINDE akumithitie.
Universities and colleges are directly involved in serious unethical practices. Cases of plagiarism, cheating, selling marks for cash or for favors are on the rise in many campuses. ESCC are continuously dealing with cases of people securing jobs or attempting to secure jobs with fake certificates.
Handu-ini hake muthikabu munene wa kanitha wa Anglican Jackson Ole Sapit augite githomo hatari mitugo miagiriru gitiri na uguni akiuria aria marikia mathomo metheme ukugia wara.
Rather to make a person a clever devil. Let us then not go the way of the educated thieves and robbers who have education but lack values. Let us embrace education with humility and use it to serve the world with integrity.
Muoroto wa igongona ria umuthi ukurongoragiria umenyo na mitugo miagiriru, Chancellor wa thukuru ino Margaret Kobia agiteterithia maya ni mamwe ma maria arutwo megubatara niguo mathereme muturire-ini.